Namaste and welcome back everyone. Today we will be doing 12 rounds of Sun Salutations with variations. Let's get on to the top of the mat. We will practice the first round with standard 12 steps for warm-up. So take a deep breath in, bring your hands together in prayer position, close your eyes and let's take a moment here. With a deep breath in, take your arms up, arch back, exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, step back with your right, knees down on the ground. Step back with your left, plank pose, knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to Cobra, Bhujangasana. Exhale to Downward Facing Dog. Step up with your right foot. Step up with your left. Inhale and rise all the way up. Exhale. Round one on the other side, hands in prayer position. Inhale to Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, step back with the left. Stepping back with the right, coming in plank, Kumbhakasana. Knees, chest, chin down. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale, Downward Dog. Inhale, step up with the left. Step up with the right. Rise. Arms by your side. Round two, hands in prayer position. Deep breath in, raise your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, step back with the right foot. Keep your right hand firm on the ground. Inhale, take the left arm up. Turn your gaze to the left hand. Hands back on the mat, stepping back into plank. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhaling to Cobra. Come into Downward Dog. Stepping up with the right. Coming into Forward Fold. Inhale and rise. Exhale. Inhale and Upward Arch. Exhale, fold forward. Stepping back with the left foot. This time, the left hand stays low and the right goes up. Hands back on the mat, coming into the plank position. Knees down, chest, chin. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale, Downward Dog. Step up with the left. Come into Forward Fold. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, relax. Round three. Inhale to Upward Arch. Exhale to Forward Fold. Stepping back with the right foot, right knee on the ground. Take a deep breath in and raise your arms up to the ceiling. Hands together, gaze up to the ceiling. Hands back on the mat. Coming into plank. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale, Down Dog. Step up with the right. Step up with the left. Inhale and rise. Exhale, arms by your side. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to Forward Fold. Inhale, stepping back with the left knee on the ground, and Anjaneyya Asana on the other side. Arms up to the ceiling and so is your gaze. Hands back on the mat. Stepping back into the plank. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to Cobra. Exhale, Downward Dog. Step up with your left. Coming into Uttanasana. Inhale and rise. Fourth round. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Inhale, Upward Arch. Exhaling to forward fold. Inhale and step back with the right. Ashvasanchala Asana. Now stepping back and coming into plank, and we hold the plank this time. Since we are holding the plank, keep on breathing. Now knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale to down dog. Step up with your right foot, with your left. Inhale and rise all the way up. Exhale, arms by your side. Round 4 on the other side. Inhale to Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale to Uttanasana. Stepping back with the left. Coming into plank and holding the plank. You're doing good. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Step up with your left. Coming into Uttanasana, inhale and rise. Exhale. Round 5. Deep breath in and raise your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Stepping back with the right foot. Step back with the left, coming into plank, and this time we are going to move forward and back on our plank. Nicely done. Now coming into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale to cobra. Exhale to down dog. Step up with your right foot. Step up with your left. Inhale and rise. Let's take it to the other side. Inhale and arch upward. Exhale, forward fold. Stepping back with the left. Ashvasanchala Asana. Coming into plank. With toes firmly on the ground, we move forward and back in our plank. Nicely done. Knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step up with your left, stepping up with the right. Inhale and rise. Exhale. Round 6, we are halfway there. Inhale and arch upwards. Exhale, fold forward. Step back with your right and keep your knee off the ground. Take a deep breath in and circle your arms up to the ceiling. Hold the pose. Exhale and arms back on the ground, stepping back into plank. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhaling to cobra. Exhale, down dog. Step up with your right, with your left. Inhale and rise. Exhale. Round 6 on the other side. Deep breath in and arch upwards. Exhale, fold forward. Stepping back with the left, keeping the knee off the ground. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands back on the mat. Coming into plank. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, down dog. Step up with your left. Come into forward fold. Inhale and rise. Exhale. Round 7. Deep breath in and raise your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Stepping back with the right. Step back with your left and come into plank. And this time we are going to circle our plank. We are moving in a clockwise rotation right now and taking 5 circles here. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward dog. Stepping up with your right, step up with your left. Inhale and you rise. Exhale, relax. Let's take it to the other side. Deep breath in and we arch upwards. As we exhale, we fold forward. Step back with your left. With your right, coming into plank, and let's circle the plank, this time anti-clockwise. 3, 4, 5. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale to down dog. Step up. Deep breath in and you rise. Exhale, arms by your side. Round 8. Inhale and take your arms up, arch back. Exhale, Uttanasana. Stepping back with the right foot on the inhalation. Plant your hands and lift your right knee. Bring it back. Lift it, bring it back. 3, 4, 5. Nice. Step back with your left and come into plank. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step up with your right. Step up with your left. Inhale and rise all the way up. Exhale, arms by your side. Deep breath in, arch upwards. On your exhale, fold forward. Step back with the left. Plant your hands, lift your left knee. Bring it back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Stepping back, coming into plank. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, down dog. Step up with left. Step up with right. Inhale and rise. Exhale. Next round. Deep breath in, arch upwards. Exhale, fold forward. Stepping back with the right. Step back with your left. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale, cobra. Downward dog. And with an inhalation, take your right leg up to the ceiling. 3-legged dog. Hold the pose. Gently coming out of it, stepping up with the right. Step up with the left. Inhale and rise. Exhale. Let's take it to the other side. Arch upwards on the inhalation. Fold forward on your exhalation. Step back with your left. Come into plank. On your exhale, knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, come into cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. And from here, take a deep breath in, stretch your left leg up to the ceiling. Step up with your left. Step up with your right. Inhale and rise. Exhale. Round 10 it is. Deep breath in, arch upwards. Exhale, fold forward. Step back with your right. Stepping back with the left, coming into plank. Knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, forehead on the ground. Place right hand on top of left, elbows out. Take a deep breath in, straighten your arms, lift your body. Exhale down. 2. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, come down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands. Exhale and come into downward facing dog. Step up with your right. Step up with the left. Inhale and rise. Exhale, relax. Taking it to the other side. Deep breath in, coming into upward arch. Exhale, fold forward. Step back with the left. Coming into plank. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, forehead on the ground. Now, left hand on top of right. As you inhale, lift your upper body, straighten your arms. 3, 4. Sync your movements with your breath. You inhale and you expand, you exhale, you come back on the mat. All right, hands by your side, exhale and come into downward facing dog. Step up with your left. Stepping up with the right foot, inhale and you rise. Exhale, arms by your side. Round 11. Deep breath in, arch upwards. Exhale, fold forward. Step back with the right foot. Come into plank and we will add a variation here. Start bending your knee, one knee at a time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nicely done. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step up with your right. Step up with your left. Inhale and rise. Exhale, arms by your side. Round 11 on the other side. Inhale to upward arch. Exhale, fold forward. This time we step back with the left foot. Stepping back with the right, plank position and mountain climber. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, down dog. Step up with your left. Come into Uttanasana. Inhale, rise. Exhale, relax. 12th and final round. Let's do it. Inhale, upward arch. Exhale, forward fold. With the first 2 fingers of your hands, hold on to your big toes and we will start bending our knees and squatting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Okay, from here, step back with your right. Coming into Ashvasanchala Asana. From there, plank position. Knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale to downward dog. Step up with your right. Step up with your left. Inhale and rise. Exhale. Deep breath in and arch upwards. Exhale, fold forward. Step back with the left. No, we have to do the variation. First 2 fingers of your hands holding on to the big toes and we squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nicely done. Step back with the left. Step back with the right. Into plank. Knees down. Chest and chin down. Inhale to cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step up with your left. Step up with right. Inhale and rise. Exhale, relax. And with this, my friends, we are done with 12 rounds of sun salutations with variations. I hope you are sweating by now and that you enjoyed this practice thoroughly. Sit in a comfortable position, keep your eyes closed and relax for a while. You earned this relaxation. I'll see you soon with another video. Do subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you.